Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the Nite Ize 32-inch gear ties. This is the 6-pack. If you don't know anything about these gear ties, I'm here to tell you they will change your life. The colors may vary that you get in the pack, so this is the colors that I received in this pack. These are rubber reusable twist ties, and they are amazing. They will take the shape of anything, and they are super strong. All right, so these gear ties, they're amazing to me. I use them all the time. I got them all around my house. I've got an old camper van. I got them full of that hanging stuff. So yeah, I definitely recommend get you some of these and organize your gear.